Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be spilling the tea, and the tea hot. But I'm going to be telling you guys about the curly hair rules that I do not follow. I don't know if these are going to be a surprise to you. They might not. I don't know. I don't really like surprises, and yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one is I do not deep condition once a week. Now I know y'all are probably like, yo, like you literally be telling us to deep condition all the time, you fake. But hear me out. I don't deep condition once a week, okay? I deep condition whenever I wash my hair, right? So like if I need to wash my hair 3 times this week, I'm deep conditioning 3 times this week. You know what I'm saying? If I have to wash my hair 1 time this week and I don't wash it at all next week, then I'm just not gonna deep condition until the next time I wash. So if my hair lasts 3 days, I'm gonna deep condition when I wash my hair after those 3 days. If my hair lasts 10 days, I'm not gonna deep condition until I wash my hair on that 10th, 11th day. Because I know a lot of people say like, oh yeah, deep condition once a week, every Sunday, da da da. I don't really do that. I just listen to my hair. If my hair's feeling dry but it's not dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh it. If my hair is dirty and it needs to be refreshed, whether it be frizzy or not defined, or it's dry, or it just needs some love but it needs to be washed, then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. And whenever I wash, I deep condition. So the next curly hair rule I don't follow is shampooing once a month. Some people really feel like, oh, shampooing dries my hair out and blah, blah, blah. So I'm only gonna, so I co-wash, and then shampoo. Me, I ain't with it. If my hair is feeling really gunky and really nasty, once again, I listen to my hair. If it needs to be washed, I am going to wash it. So if my hair is feeling more on the drier side, then I'll go ahead and co-wash. But if my hair is like feeling really nasty and gunky and I just really need it to be like clean, I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo. So I don't really do it once a month. I just listen to my hair. If my hair is feeling really, really dry and it's not super dirty, I'm gonna co-wash. If my hair is really dirty, I'm gonna shampoo. I literally just listen to my hair. Whatever it needs, that's what I do. I don't really think these like hard rules should be here, right? Like there are some principles that I think we should, you know, sort of abide by. Like don't freaking flat iron your hair every single day and expect your hair to be curly again, right? Simple stuff like that. But in terms of these like hard rules, like some of these are just extra. Like they're for literally no reason. So the third curly hair rule that I do not follow is fluffing my hair with a pick. I don't know, but the picks, they just don't be working for me. Like I don't do them. I always fluff my hair with my fingers. And like I feel like when you're doing it with your fingers, you have so much more control over like where you place your hair and like the way your hair looks. Because with a pick, like it'd be hard to like control it and like your hand's here, but you have to like flick it out because the pick part is out there. I don't know, it's just too much and it don't be working for me. So I don't use a pick. I don't even think I have a pick. I just fluff it out in my hands. And like there was a time where like I will be seeing other people using picks to like get volume and fluff out their hair. So I was like, all right, well let me try it. No, it still didn't work. I should have just stuck to what I was doing. But yeah, I just use my fingers and I do like this, or I'll do like this, or like whatever the case may be. Wherever I need the volume, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers to fluff it out, because the pick, man, is just me and the pig just don't get along like that, you know what I'm saying? So the next curly hair rule I don't follow is doing hot oil treatments. Now hot oil treatments are absolutely amazing and I should be doing them, but I just don't, because like whenever I'm gonna wash my hair, like it's just like quick, like flick in the moment type thing where I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get in the shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then you know and then I don't have time to do a hot oil treatment, because if you're doing a hot oil treatment, you have to like heat up the oil, put it in your hair at night, sleep with it, and then the next morning wash your hair and rinse your hair out. And because I'm always just like, all right, I'm gonna wash my hair right now, I don't ever have time to do that. I never have time to be like, all right, let me go and do a hot oil treatment or whatever. But I am going to start doing hot oil treatments. I just know you get so many amazing benefits from sleeping it with the oil in overnight. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try to stick to it, you know what I'm saying? And the sixth and final curly hair rule I don't follow is trimming my hair. So I get so many questions like, do you trim your hair? How often? How much are you supposed to trim off? And I'm like, I don't know, who knows? You better call Tyrone. But seriously, I hear all these rules like you're supposed to trim your hair every 6 months, you're supposed to trim your hair 2 times a year, you're supposed to trim your hair every 6 weeks, you're supposed to trim your hair once a month. I don't do none of that. My hair been growing. I mean, maybe if I started trimming it, it would grow more. Who knows? Maybe if I started trimming it, I'm just cutting off hair. Who really knows? This is where you really just do what you gotta do what works for you, right? Because I don't know, right? Like, I don't know how often you should be trimming your hair. I don't know how much you should be trimming off. I don't do none of that. I just let my hair do what it do. Do be sometimes like I'll be playing in my hair, which I know I'm not supposed to be doing, but I'll be playing in my hair and like I'll feel a strand that has like one of those little single strand knots on it, like a little knot like in the middle of your hair, or I'll see like a split end, and I'll just go to the root of my head and just pull that piece of hair out. And I make sure to go all the way to the root to make sure the entire hair is going out, because if you just like break the hair off, that strand of hair is going to split and then you're going to have split ends on that piece of hair. So I don't never do that. I always make sure I go all the way to the root and take it out, or I get a scissor and I just cut off before where that little split end is. But I don't really, that doesn't happen often, right? Like literally like once every like month or something. Like it's just random. I'm just touching my hair and I'll be like, oh, there's a little single strand knot. It's really weird. It doesn't happen often, but yeah, I do not trim my hair, but I am going to get my hair trimmed in July. So in July, I'm going to the Diva Salon again to get my hair colored. If you didn't see my first video on that whole Diva Curl Salon experience where I got my hair colored, go ahead and check that video out. But I'm going to be going back there to get some more color, and then I am also going to get a Diva cut. So I'm pretty excited for that trip, excited, you know, to go up to New York and to do Curl Fest again and visit all my Diva Curl friends. But yeah, I mean, as of right now, I don't trim my hair. So I mean, like, you'd be better off asking somebody else about trimming your hair, because it's just not something that I do. And I mean, it's been working for me. And that's all for this video, but I do want to address something. As you might have noticed, the name of this channel changed from Kobe Lomax to Kobe Tyrell, Tyrell being my middle name. And the reason that changed is because I have a new YouTube channel. It is called Kobe Lomax. That's why I changed this one to Kobe Tyrell. But this channel is all about curly hair, which I really love, because like I'm able to help a ton of guys, you know, figure out their hair. You know, it can be really hard for us specifically, because you always have your family saying you need to cut that off, or you need to do something with that, or if you don't know what you're doing with your hair yet, you know, but you're like, I'm figuring it out. You know, you're trying to work on it, you're watching videos, you're trying to get products. I was there, literally, family saying you need to cut that off. When you gonna cut that mess off? And it hurts kind of, you know what I'm saying? Because like we'd be like, yo, like just let me live, like leave me alone, like, and you know, and it'd be the ones that's closest to you that be making a big deal about it and making it seem as if like it's ruining your look or whatever. I'm really glad that I'm allowed to help out a lot of guys with, you know, navigating that process and getting through it. I mean, there's literally almost 5,000 of us. That's crazy. But I'm also really passionate about business and entrepreneurship and helping people build wealth and create a life that they really and truly love. Especially our generation. Like, society pushes us all down this one path when everybody was put on this earth to do something different, right? So why are we all going down the same path? You know what I'm saying? And like, so many people are miserable because instead of pursuing happiness and pursuing their purpose, they're pursuing whatever their family thinks they should be doing, or their friends think they should be doing, or society thinks they should be doing. And so they're literally like, I've literally talked to so many people and they're literally miserable doing what they're doing right now, because they prioritize acceptance of other people before their own happiness, which really sucks. You know what I'm saying? So that's something that I'm just really passionate about, and that's something that I sort of want to shift my personal brand to, but I don't want to leave all y'all hanging. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I thought I should create a separate channel, keep doing the curly hair videos here, and then do all my business and all that stuff on my other channel, because I don't want to just like stop making curly hair videos. And I've almost helped 5,000 people with that, you know, and to just kind of like ditch y'all, I kind of felt like that wouldn't be the right move. So I'm still going to be making the curly hair videos on this channel, but I do have another channel. If you are interested in business, entrepreneurship, or, you know, building wealth and creating a life that you really love, then go ahead and check out my other channel. I will leave it linked down below. So that's what my other channel is about, helping our generation really create wealth in the lives that we want, so that we can support ourselves, our dream lives, and our families. So if that's something you're interested in, head over to my new channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope none of this came as a surprise to you. I mean, some of it might have been, but you know, just I'm not really for all the rules, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna listen to my hair and do what I gotta do. But yeah, thanks so much for your time, spending this time with me here on the internet, and I will see you in the next video.